Welcome to this instructional video for the Redexim Verti-Quake. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the most important procedures and tips for effectively using this machine. Safety instructions. This video does not replace the manual. For safe operation, always read and fully understand the operator's manual before using the machine, and follow all safety instructions. Only operate the Verti-Quake on grass surfaces. Always switch off the tractor engine during adjustments and repairs. Wear appropriate protective clothing, such as steel toe cap boots and fitted workwear. Visual check. Before operating the machine, inspect it carefully for any visible damage or defects. Check that all bolts and components are securely fastened. Regular inspections are essential. Loose parts can affect performance and compromise safety. Connecting and leveling. Connect the Verti-Quake to the tractor using the 3-point linkage by carefully reversing the tractor's lifting arms toward the machine. Raise the machine slightly off the ground. Fold up the parking stands and secure them in place. Gently move the Verti-Quake back and forth until it is centered behind the tractor. Use the tractor's sway link pins to limit sideways movement. Then check that the drop links are level to keep the Verti-Quake horizontal when lifting and lowering. Machine angle and working depth adjustment. To adjust the working depth, turn both depth adjusters at the front of the machine evenly until the desired depth is reached. Then set the rear pin to match. This positions the skid plate so it makes full contact with the surface for consistent results. Next, lower the Verti-Quake to its working depth and adjust the tractor's top link until the skid plate sits square at 90 degrees and is parallel to the ground. This ensures the correct working angle, which helps to improve results. Start procedure. Drive forward with the Verti-Quake lifted off the ground at a maximum speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour, or 0.9 miles per hour. Engage the PTO at around 400 revolutions per minute. Then lower the machine quickly, but in a safe and controlled way onto the surface. Once in operation, increase the PTO speed to a maximum of 540 revolutions per minute and adjust your forward speed to match. Stop procedure. Reduce the tractor's RPM and gently lift the Verti-Quake out of the surface. Once the machine is clear, switch off the PTO. Avoid reversing or making sharp turns while the machine is still in contact with the ground, as this can cause damage. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Redexim Verti-Quake. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more, don't forget to consult the manual in the black tube on the machine or at redexim.com. And of course, your local Redexim representative is always available to help and ensure you are well supported.